Hello, I'm Monica.
And I am Margarita. We thank you for signing up for Geogebra for Mathematics course, and we welcome you to this first video class. We have been working with Geogebra for several years in learning and teaching with different levels. In this free app, now you will be using it for high schools, college, and university math classes all over the world. It helps in dynamic geometry, statistics, calculation, 3D graphics, trigonometry, and much more. In this course, we will show you the latest version of the program, version 6, that is available for both computer or mobile devices.
We will go step by step with the program, solving exercises, doing geometric constructions, analysis of functions, animations, 3D graphics, and more. There are some interactive exercises that will help you to know the different tools and commands of the program.
If you have any questions, feel free to write us a message.
So, welcome and let's start with the first class.